Excuse me, is this train to Oxford?
Let me see your ticket, please.
Oh, here it is. Platform 6, right?
This says Oxford Street, not Oxford City.
Oh no. Is that in London?
Yes, it is. Quite far from here.
Can I change the ticket?
Sure, the ticket office is over there.
Thank you. I always mix up names.
Many people do. Don't worry,
Do I need to pay more?
just £2 more.
That's okay. Here you go.
Great! Here's your new ticket.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
I hope I go to the right Oxford this time.
Fingers crossed. Hello, I think there's a mistake.
What seems to be the problem?
My room has one bed, but I booked 2.
Let me check your booking.
It's under Kim, room 203.
Ah, I see. Room 203 is for Mr. King.
Oh, that's not me. I'm Kim.
Easy mistake. Your room is 302.
Oh, I read it upside down.
Happens all the time.
Thank you for helping.
You're welcome. 2 beds, correct?
Yes, for me and my sister.
Perfect. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. I'll double check the number now. Excuse me, does this bus go to the airport?
No, it goes to the train station.
Oh no, I think I'm at the wrong stop.
Where do you need to go?
Terminal 2, please. My flight is soon.
The airport bus leaves from stop D,
Is that far?
just across the street.
Great. Do I need a new ticket?
No, your ticket works for both buses.
Really? That's lucky.
Very lucky. The next one leaves in 5 minutes.
I'll run then.
Careful, don't drop your bag.
Thanks. Oh, wait. Wrong bag.
Oh dear. Good thing you checked.
Good evening. I booked a table for 2.
Name, please.
Miller. At 7 o'clock.
Ah, yes. Table by the window.
Perfect. My friend loves sunsets.
Would you like some water first?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Oh, wait. This is sparkling.
That's fine. I like bubbles.
Great. Here's your menu.
Thank you. Do you have vegetarian dishes?
Yes, page 2.
Excellent. My friend is vegan.
Oh, then maybe the soup?
Yes, but no cheese, please.
Of course. Wait, is this your friend?
Oh no, that's a stranger.
Ha ha! They look surprised.
Hi. Can I have 1 cappuccino, please?
Sure. Small or large?
Large, please. And 1 muffin.
Blueberry or chocolate?
Blueberry. I love fruit.
Here you go. That's £5.80.
Wait, this is a banana muffin.
Oh, sorry. Wrong tray. One moment.
No problem. I like surprises.
Here's the right muffin.
Thank you. Can I sit outside?
Yes, but watch the seagulls.
Oh dear. They steal food?
Yes, very fast ones.
Then I'll eat quickly.
Good plan. Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks. I'll guard my muffin. Hi. Do you have something for a headache?
Yes, we have tablets or syrup.
Tablets, please. How much are they?
£3.50 for this box.
Okay. Can I take them with water?
Yes, 1 tablet with water twice a day.
Thank you. Can I take coffee too?
Maybe not right away.
Oh, that's hard. I love coffee.
1 hour later is fine.
That's better. Thanks.
Would you like a small bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. I hope my head feels better soon.
It will. Maybe after your coffee.
Hi, I need to wash these shirts, please.
Sure. Regular wash or express?
What's the difference?
Regular is ready tomorrow. Express in 1 hour.
I have a flight tonight, so express, please.
Okay. That's £8.
Here's 10 pounds. Keep the change.
Thank you. Come back at 3 p.m.
Great. Do I need a ticket?
Yes, here it is. Don't lose it.
Oh, I almost dropped it already.
Careful. It's your laundry passport.
Haha, I'll guard it well.
See you later, traveler.
Thanks. Clean clothes. Here I come.
Hello. How much is one ticket, please?
Adults, £10. Students, £6.
I'm a student. Here's my card.
Great. Would you like the audio guide?
Yes, please. Is it free?
It's £2 extra.
Okay. How long is the tour?
About 1 hour.
Perfect. Can I take photos?
Only without flash.
Got it. Oh, wait. My phone is dead.
That's okay. Enjoy the art with your eyes.
Good advice. I'll do that.
Here's your ticket.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The dinosaurs are waiting.
Dinosaurs? In an art museum?
Just joking.
Good morning. Do you have croissants today?
Yes, just baked 10 minutes ago.
Great. I'll take 2, please.
Butter or chocolate?
Chocolate, of course.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
Maybe a small coffee.
Black or with milk?
With milk, please.
That's £4.20.
Here you go. Oh, wait. I forgot my wallet.
Oh dear. No worries. Pay later.
Really? That's so kind.
You're a regular, right?
Yes, every Monday.
Then I trust you.
Thank you. I'll bring the money soon.
And don't forget the croissants.
Oh, almost did. Again. Hello. Did someone bring a blue umbrella here?
Maybe. What does it look like?
It's blue with small white clouds.
Let me check our lost and found box.
Thank you. It's raining outside.
Here's one, but it has ducks, not clouds.
Oh, that's not mine. It's cute, though.
You can borrow it if you want.
Really? That's so kind.
Just bring it back tomorrow.
Of course. I'll take care of the ducks.
Good. They hate strong wind.
Haha. I'll walk slowly.
Smart idea. Stay dry.
Thanks. I'll quack my way home.
That's the spirit.